Yep.
Ow. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We are in Paris and we are shooting with the awesome Shay. She has caught up with us and we are just in another Airbnb. This one's a little bit more spacious than Milan though. Peter hasn't shot in here before though, so we're just going to see what happens. We're just going to find some light and walk you through how we shoot when we are on the road. Kind of like the last traveling Airbnb one we did. But very in petty.
So today I've caught up with Shay in Paris and you're just going to get to watch us. It's like a fly on the wall, but not a fly on the wall. So you'll be watching me do a shoot, but I will explain what I'm thinking about while we're moving around. I might just see what I get there with the hallway. Oh, that's looking cooler. I'm loving that. That's so much nicer. That is so cool. That's really cool. Sorry, I'm just going to get my exposure better. Yeah, I might come up. I'm going to go be f4. With fashion, I don't want to be too shallow. I tend to want to be more. So I'm just going to give Shay a look at what I'm doing, so she has a better idea. You like that? Yeah. You love those lines?
Yeah.
Cool. So you can just work that. You can work it right to the ground if you want. If
yeah.
you want to sit, you can do anything you like. With Shay, I don't need to direct. She's an amazing photographer on her own, so she knows what she wants out of models, so she knows what she needs to do as a fashion model herself. That's cool. That's really cool. That's cool. That's beautiful. Exactly what I just said. Shay knows what she likes to shoot. She knows how to create shapes. That's really nice. That's cool. Just bring those knees. Yeah, that's better. That's cool. There, cool. Beautiful, beautiful. I like that lots.
What's up? Don't like the pose?
No. This camera's drawing me to the dark side. Oh yeah, vivid colour's a bit nice. Well, with your hair and with the jacket, yeah. I'm going to shoot a little bit, even though my raws are in colour anyway. When I look through a viewfinder, it gives me an emotion. That's really cool. Nice. It's really pretty. There, cool, beautiful. That's really pretty. That's pretty. Yeah, cool. Right, just think about the models you want to shoot. How you want them to be. That's exactly how I want you to be. Same thing. Cool. Nice, I love that. That's really pretty. That's really cool. I love... My eyes are hurting, sorry. I need to go black to black and white. You going to stay standing for a bit?
Yep.
That's really pretty. That's really pretty. Cool. I love that. Nice. I'm just going to move back to get your shoes in shot. Yeah, I didn't realise you were that close. That was quite funny. Friends. Friends, we've been travelling a bit. Cool, I love that. That doorway's really cool. It's stunning. Oh, that's nice. Just back around again. I really like that. Just let me get a couple with that. Yeah, that look over your shoulder, the hands there, perfect. But give me a couple. Cool. That's really pretty. That's stunning. Cool. Now do whatever you like. I think the best thing I've ever said to you is just do what you want to photograph. That is the best thing I think I've ever said to you. Because you're actually posing a lot different to how you normally do with me.
I guess it just implants the thing of like, do
what you want the people to see. I think that's awesome. This is what I see on your friggin' channel and think, oh, I love that. I wish I could shoot shit like that. The amount of times you put up set and like, fuck, I wish I took that picture. Anyway.
You're learning lots about like certain things to say to certain models.
I don't know what it is. I have done a change and I have a list of rules that I try and look at every single day. And I think the first one is do whatever I want to do. Shoot my stuff. I've realized I'm only going to get the photos I adore as if I shoot what I want. Cool, I love that. That's cool. Stunning. I reckon we nailed this look now. Yep. Is there anywhere else you want to go or you'll just do a different change?
Just do it.
Yeah, cool. Awesome. I'm liking the feel of, but that dress mightn't suit. Do you reckon you can sit with that dress there?
Yeah. Like this old Kate Moss shot.
sort of thing where she's very like lazy.
Yeah, yeah.
Legs up.
Oh yes, I didn't
Yep.
even think about that shot. I'm just gonna get stunning. That's really pretty. I'll shoot some without the feet, but I think I actually want the feet in it, but I'll just start off without the feet. I'll have to change lenses to shoot with the feet. Cool. That's really cool. Cool. This is where it's really cool to work with a model that actually understands fashion, understands style, because she can just say something to them. That's really cool. I love that. I love that. Cool. Beautiful, beautiful. Even though I'm low, I'm still above your feet. Cool, cool. That's pretty. That's really pretty. Sorry, just doing camera shit. There we go. Cool, beautiful. Maybe come forward a bit. I've got more light on your legs and your face. That's cool. That's really pretty. Just there. That's really pretty. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Stunning. That's really pretty. That's really pretty. Cool, cool, cool. Nice, nice. I like that. That's really cool. It's really pretty. When I'm working with people like Shay, it's really hard for me to talk. So I don't want to stuff up what she's already doing. I'm loving what she's doing. I'm scared if I say something, I'm going to destroy it. I'm just going to try a different angle. It's a bit flat.
Dark, maybe.
It's dark. Well, how am I going to do this? Oh my god. I like the smudges on the window. No, I can't see her if I go there. Hello. You're in shot now. Oops, sorry. Problem is where I want to put the smudge, I become in shot if I have it there. Cool, I like that. That's really pretty. Oh, I think there's a better mirror. Do you want to follow me in? I might just swing that a little bit. So I want it on the edge, but I don't want the super brightness. Cool, cool.
Should I look at myself or you?
Whatever you like.
Okay.
I don't care. Sorry, Beck. Cool, that's really pretty. If you go closer to the mirror, that's it. I think that's better. Now I can get a bit of your, I'll lose your face, but I get you back. Cool. Cool, that's really cool. Love that, love that. Cool. I wonder if we can swap.
Swap spots.
Yeah, I'm thinking Millie just sitting down. I was going to get you to try and sit in the mirror, and I want to photograph you sitting in the mirror, checking yourself out, because that's got such a cool pattern. The only problem I've got, oh no, I don't have a problem. Cool, cool, cool. That's really cool. Loving.
You like this mirror, but you don't like it on the floor, let me guess.
No, I'm loving it on the floor. Maybe I need to go wider, and then I might like it more. You just have a flick through and tell me what you reckon. Do you like the feel?
Oh, I really like this.
So do I. But I'm just thinking I want to go get more of you in it, like showing that you're actually on the floor.
Oh, yeah.
Do you agree?
Yeah.
I'll go get another
Yeah,
lens.
it'd be nice. But yeah, I agree. For the ones that are further out, I think it'll add more.
Yeah, I think.
Still good to have those for in.
Oh yeah,
or
no,
something.
they're really nice shots.
Yeah.
But I think I just need a little bit more of the environment to finish it off without me getting in the environment, without this stupid fucking lemon box. Oh yeah, that makes a massive difference. Stunning. This really tells a story. Cool, cool, cool. That's really pretty. So you need to be able to see me. No, I like the hand, but I just want it to move it out. Yeah, come out wide. That's really pretty. That's really pretty. Yeah, this staring in at me is really cool. 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 Cool, that's really pretty. That's really pretty. Cool.
Cool. So we hope you guys enjoyed that. As I said, Peter hasn't shot here before, and look at what he can do, and this is why it's no excuse. Just because you don't have a studio doesn't mean you can't take awesome photos. I will also throw up some videos of Peter using natural light and shooting in Airbnbs.